I've been working like a dog on a slow grind. A couple side hustles, doubles, and some overtime. Cause time is money ticking out here on this rural route. Can't take it with you when you go, so I'm all about to sun up to sundown. Just trying to be the warm buff of this town. Yeah, this work can't put a house out in Malibu, but let me tell you what it can do. It can put a Rolex on a redneck. It can put some inches on your